Hello, everyone. Good morning or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. Thanks for checking in. One thing I kind of regretted about earlier this week, Monday through Thursday, is that I did not make you a little video kind of describing our task for today. And so I promise I will do that from here on out. And you'll have a video each and every day on the slides for today. And so the first thing you should do, and you've already done it because you're here, is check Google Classroom and find the board for today, answer the bell ringer, and then we'll move on to the next task. And so the task for today is makeup work. All right. A lot of you have done a great job. A lot of you are self-motivated and completed all your work this week, but some of you have not. And I just don't feel right moving on until I get as many people caught up as we possibly can. And so if you're at home, there's a chance for you to take an hour and see how much work you can get caught up on if you're missing some stuff. If you're all caught up, great. You're ahead of the game. We'll be doing that here in class today, and I'll be able to help some people out. If you want to zoom into class during class time, I'll be available there also if you're at home. And so let's talk about how you can make up your work. And so step one is going to be check your grade on PowerSchool and find out what assignments you have a 0 for. All right, now this student is struggling a little bit, and you can see that they have quite a few zeros here. Now, the important thing about your grade is it's not about where you're at right now, it's about how you finish. And so I'm going to help this student get caught up. But if you look here, anything that there's a 0 in the score column for are things that you can make up. All right. And so the first thing you should do is find out what assignments you have a 0 for, and then see what kind of assignment it is. If it has an FD beside it, so a capital FD, what that means is it's on Foundations Digital. And so I see 1, 2, 3, 4 FD assignments here. There's one on line 1, one on line 4, one on line 6, and one on line 8. So all of those are on Foundations Digital. And so if I know branding, social media, selling, and making it work for you. And so the next step is to go to foundationsdigital.com, and we've been working in the marketing section. And so let me go ahead and get us over there right now. We've been working in the marketing section. And so I know I need branding, social media, selling, and making it work for you if I'm that student. So all I have to do is click on the branding one, watch the video, hit next, take the quiz, which this one is literally 3 questions. No reason you should have a 0 here. And then you can move on to the next section. Watch the video. After the video is done, hit next, take the quiz, another 3-question one. All right, so pretty easy way there that we can make up some points in this class very quickly. And then the last step after you've done all of those is to go to Google Classroom to find the rest of the assignments. So if we go back and look at this person's grade, oh, there's a case study on line 2, case study Sam. There's selling reading guide, and it says it's on Google Classroom. And there's a Tuesday activity, social media promotion. And there's a brand recognition worksheet, and there's a products and services worksheet. And so if we go to Google Classroom, we can find all those things. Here's the social media promotion. Here's the selling and reading guide. Here is the case study for Sam. And then if I scroll down the older stuff, I said we're in the marketing section. All right, here's the other things that this person's missing. Brand recognition, products and services. And so all of this stuff is here on Google Classroom, and that is our task today, is to get as much missing work done as possible. So you guys at home can do that just like we are here in the classroom. All right, I hope everybody has a great day. Like I said, Zoom into class, email me. Any way you know how to get a hold of me, do it, because I'm happy to help.